How to grow on Instagram 2022. Let's get to it. Let me show you. First things first, hashtags. Use related hashtags to what you're doing in your video. You see I have funny video hashtags in there, memes, stuff that's relatable to what I'm doing in my video, okay? That's very important. All right. And second thing to how to grow on Instagram is make sure you have funny audio music in there too as well, like this, okay?
Dad, do you have a 5 on you by any chance?
Just like that. You want to make sure you have funny music in there too, because it helps the algorithm thinks where it wants your video to go to. If it's funny music in there, it's going to push it out more over there, okay? Plus you have hashtags. You're in the smack dab middle of it, okay? That means you're doing a great job. Keep doing it, okay? Thank you. Oh, and the last thing too as well, if you guys definitely want to grow on Instagram even more, I highly recommend going to your Instagram and saving all the funny music on there, okay? This works on any niche, not just funny music, any niche too as well, okay? This works for everything, all right? So plus the hashtags too as well. We're going to get a little in detail with that later. But first things first, I want you guys to get your phones out, okay? Wherever niche you're in, music, art, funny videos, whatever you're in, I want you to go follow all of these audios right here too as well, okay? Go do that, and I'll give you guys about like a minute to do that. You can pause the video, okay? And I'm going to show you something incredible, awesome, okay? And 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, we're done. Okay, good. I told you to pause the video. So also, not just that, you also want to follow funny people that's on there too. You want to like their videos, and you also want to follow them. I do not unfollow them, okay? That's not cool. Don't unfollow them. Reason why is because I'm trying to teach you something. I'm trying to help you work with the algorithm of Instagram, okay? Hint, okay? You save all the funny music, whatever's in your niche, music. You save the art audio. You say the art audio on there. That's good. We're on the raw already. Now all you need to do is go explore somebody else's page, okay, that makes music, okay, and like their videos, and make sure you comment on it too. It's very important, because the algorithm is like, okay, he likes funny videos now. He's liking all these funny videos. He's commenting on all these funny videos. He's saving all of these audios for funny videos, funny audios for funny videos. He's using funny hashtags. Do you guys get where I'm going with this? I'm showing you what the algorithm is thinking, okay? If it knows that you're in that niche and you're liking funny videos, you're saving the funny audios, and you're saving the and you're using the funny hashtags, it's gonna boost your videos up there more, okay? So the more consistent you keep doing this, and I'm not saying you have to keep exploring their page and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But it is good to keep following them, and you don't have to like their videos or anything, because you already did that. And some of these guys might follow you back, because that's what happened to me today, okay? And it was incredible, trust me. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back over here to the funny accounts and stuff like that, funny music, stuff like that. You see, I just like this one, you know what I'm saying? You just got like a couple of them. As you can see, I already comment on one of them. That I don't think I comment on this one. Someone else has role player in their name. It wasn't me. So yeah, just go over there and start exploring their page, and watch a couple of their videos too as well. It actually helps the algorithm be all like, he's watching this video, he's liking it, okay, what else he's going to do next? So when you go to your videos, okay, and you release your funny videos, it's going to push it out so faster than ever, okay? And here's another tip for you guys out there. If you want to learn how to promote your videos, I'll show you that in my next video, okay? Because I have to do it first. Okay, but this is I'm going to say that for my next video. So yeah, I just broke down everything that you guys needed to know. If you guys want to see my next video, just make sure you click here, okay? And I'll see you there.